Well, good day, and welcome to a brand new edition of Triple Chips Down the Hatch 2, where today we're going to be cooking up these KEG Steakhouse and Bar prime rib beef burgers, made with 75% prime rib. These are 6-ounce burgers. You get 12 in a box. We're going to be throwing them on the barbecue here. These go for $19.99 plus GST at your local Costco. So for roughly about, with everything you see here, the buns, these you kind of maybe count a little bit because they're not going to use that all up on these, but cheese slice, everything. So you're looking at about $2.50 to $3 a burger roughly. So first we'll fire up the old barbecue. All the stuff out. Gas going. Clean that stuff. Gas on. Got a commission. Just give us a clean off there. The last part of the section. And what you guys should really get is like one of these. This one I've used for a while, but try to refrain from using the steel bristle brush because there's been enough cases where people have been cleaning them and actually swallowed those steel bristles. So just go with the good old wooden one. This will come flat. It'll just work its way like this over time by using it. Just to knock off any debris in your barbecue. So we'll just let that heat up for a while. We'll just get these burgers out. We'll just over for now. A little bit prepped to show you what these burgers look like. Just gonna cook up the whole batch because I left these thaw out today, so this is what we're dealing with. And they're juicy and flavorful. Not really much showing. It's one of the KEG signature dishes now, juicy, slow mastered prime rib. Now you can enjoy the same flavor. It's the same as your restaurant. You can do this at home. So those are. It looks like 480 calories per burger. That's just the meat patty itself, so I'll just leave this here for garbage. Show you guys what you're getting here. So they are nice, fairly sized burgers, pretty nice and thick. You get 12 of those. So. What we're going to do with those, we're just going to simply, which one should I do them in?
Whatever one you want.
Okay.
They're both
I'll
good.
do them. I always like the chicken rib, so I'm going to do it. Chicken rib. Always usually use the Kraft. You can get this on sale usually at your local Walmart for about $1 a bottle most of the time. So, small town like where I'm shooting this, stuff's probably $3.99 here, so better to hit those other places if you can, just to save a couple dollars. So we'll put a little bit of sauce on there. And what we're going to do is just take a brush like this, just like those up a bit, and the barbecue is up to about 200, so we're just going to start throwing these on. I'm just eaten alive by mosquitoes here. We'll just do half of them at first here. Mosquitoes everywhere. Let's get these on and I'll put the sauce on them. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. goes. Just gonna get this done. I'll have to take a break and put some mosquito spray on, and then I'll be right back out. So we'll just let those. What the heck was that? Just close that up for a minute or two. I'll be right back with you. And we're back. Just gonna do a little flip in here. Got the bug spray on. Wouldn't wash my hands. Older barbecue, it just doesn't seem to cook. Whoa, we're losing some burger there. Quick flip. See, it's not even hot on that one. There's one back here cooked really fast. Let's get this broken one. There we go. Burn my hands. Oh. See if we can salvage that. Get it up on top there. Smush that goodness in. There. Save that burger. That one I'm just going to put up top for now because it doesn't seem to cook back here. It's not cooking either, but we'll just get some more sauce on those. Just going to put it really heavy on these two because I don't want to reach back there. So another trick you can do is just put it heavy on these ones. And you just simply take some off from these back guys without burning your hand. Let's kind of glue this one with some sauce on it. We gotta cook it down there. There's sauce on these ones. That's the chicken rib I'm using. Kraft. Really good stuff. It's my favorite. Okay. That's good stuff. So while that's cooking, we'll slice up some onions next. Very sharp knife. Let's take that end off. Get this stuff out of the way. Oh, it's not as sharp as I thought. Okay, and then how I usually get this first layer off, I just do a nice little slight cut like that. I'll be able just to pull that first shell off. Actually, no. Let's see, yeah. It's really stuck on here, so we'll just throw all this stuff away. Garbage. We'll just simply do some nice cuts right now. We got your 3, 4, 5, and I like to turn it around the other way when it gets so far in. It's difficult once you get to these last couple of cuts here. The onion integrities here is just falling apart, so. I don't know, that one I'm just gonna. I'm a big onion fan, so I usually just eat them. It's like I'm eating candy. Good stuff. Just simply throw the onion on a plate for now. Oh, I love the onion. Okay, we're gonna pick it up. Simply just gonna. Shouldn't be any cross contamination because it's just a vegetable. So take that off. I think the lettuce we won't cut it. We'll just put it on as leaf. I'm gonna wash this down. It's getting a little hot. So I won't show it bad. Then you kind of guess yourself. Am I seeing it there? Oh well, they're not paying me nothing anyhow. So let's check on those burgers. Looks like this back one might be done. Oh yeah, it's getting a little bit burnt there. Let's just throw it up here for now. And get one of the other ones back there. That's where the term charbroiled comes in. Oh, look at that flame. Let's see if we can get this one off of here. Ease it in there slightly. Ooh, we got some flame going on. This one I think is done. Honestly, I think. Let's just cut it open and check it out. Take that one off. Let's see what we got going on here. So, guess I can use this knife now since I'm done with it. Let's see. Yeah, it looks like it's cooked all the way through. And just touch it. Yeah, it's nice and hot. That's fully cooked, so that one's done. So we'll just finish up these ones. Or I can actually start assembling the burger and show you guys. And then you just repeat that process 11 more times. I'll show you how I assemble a burger here. I'm not going to do these on, I can do them on there, but I'm just going to simply throw it on the plate. Usually like to put a little bit of ketchup in the bottom there. A little bit on there, not too much. That should be fine. And then a little bit of, always got to have the mustard. A little bit of mustard on the top. Okay. Throw our half-cut patty in there. When you're making burgers, don't cheap out and use the process. Use these Cracker Barrel actual cheddar slices. You won't go back to the other cheese ever again. Okay, we're just going to throw in a nice onion in there. And simply throw a little bit of lettuce. Some of these leaves are getting like that here. Oh, so it's okay. Throw some lettuce and that should be good enough. You ain't usually getting a burger about that big at a restaurant for like under $3. You need to get a cheeseburger, but we'll just try it out now. Yeah. That's a good tasting patty in there. Very juicy. You can get some, like these are a little bit more premium. They're probably about $1.75 per patty, but it's well worth it. You're not eating cardboard. Like, very good. So if you like what you see in this vlog, why not give it a big thumbs up? And be sure, if you're somebody new watching this, why not subscribe? And for future notifications, ring that notification bell. Until next time, chip out, happy eating.